Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Medicare Advantage member portal, secure access guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the URL for your Medicare Advantage member portal. Press enter on your keyboard to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the login button. This button is typically located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. If you already have an account, enter your username in the appropriate field. Next, enter your password in the password field. Make sure to check for any typing errors, especially with capitalization. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on this link to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you've entered your username and password, click on the Login button. After a few moments, you should be logged into your member portal. If you encounter any issues during this process, double-check your username and password. If problems persist, consider contacting customer support for assistance. Once logged in, you can access various features related to your Medicare Advantage plan. Explore the portal to familiarize yourself with all available options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.